Hi everyone, welcome to Project of Today's Quick Tips. This is a new part where I will show small upgrade for my sawmill, things I have done myself and so on. And today we start with the log butts. I think these are a little bit weak when you put up really big logs. I mean, the only support is these knobs and all the get load here when you're struggling up a log here. So it really gets rough. But there is an upgrade for your sawmill that you mount like this. Now you can see when I mounted this, it's fully supported all the way here. So you can put up really struggle up a log on this one without breaking it. So I think this is a really neat upgrade for your sawmill. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe for upcoming film.